Previously mentioned, you could find a list of websites linking to you within Google Webmaster Tools. If during this search you come across low quality backlinks, you'll want to work towards having those links removed. The best thing to do is to reach out to the owner of the site and ask them to remove the link. You may have to request this a few times to see the owner actually take action, and other times they will completely ignore you. If they do ignore you, you have two options. First, leave the link alone, just let it be. Second option is to use the disavow link that Google gives you within Webmaster Tools, and that tool is a way for you to ask Google to not take this particular link into consideration when they are assessing your site. So which option should you use? You might think, oh, well, I'm going to use the disavow link. I'm going to tell Google, ignore that completely. But I want you to think about this first. If you have a very low number of low quality backlinks, I typically just leave them be. However, if you have a lot of low quality backlinks, that's when I turn to the disavow tool. This could have happened if someone else was doing SEO work for you before. This could be that you purchased a domain without looking at the backlink profile, only to find that they have a lot of backlinks going to them. And I can't really say this any better than how Google puts it, so let me share what they say about their disavow tool. This is an advanced feature and should only be used with caution. If used incorrectly, this feature can potentially harm your site's performance in Google search results. We recommend that you disavow backlinks only if you believe you have a considerable number of spammy, artificial, or low-quality links pointing to your site, and if you are confident that the links are causing issues for you. In most cases, Google can assess which links to trust without additional guidance, so most normal or typical sites will not need to use this tool. So I think that's really important to take in consideration before you just jump to using the disavow tool. But hopefully this is not an issue you will run into, but if you do, you now know what to do.